Hold it up again. They like you. I got you a choir. They're all waiting for it. They're like, I see how this game is played.
Like this orderly fashion, like every once in a while, a little break.
Look at them. Look at them, man. They're like in line. Me turn, me turn.
Ow, you got my whole finger, you butt.
I told you they're mean. Don't get my iPod. Oh no. What happened?
I dropped it.
I know you.
That's it. Now that.
You got to throw in that one, dude. Still got the fun. I'll let you scared. I'm about to get them on there. Get all these damn pickles! Yeah, it's so beautiful. I'm recording a bird. I use them. Look at all these birds I'm sitting on this rock, man. They're like, come on.
Bring it out.
Get it, Kayla. Hey! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Let's go, girl. Come on, let's go.
No. I just throw the rest of these out. Ready? Ow!
Oh, let me get one. Rebecca, you hold. Hey, hold this and don't press anything, okay? Take it first. And then go back to me. Go back to me. Ah! Okay, you can go now.
No, wait. I just want to...
Throw it, man! Throw it! Get it! This is crazy, man. Look how close they are.
Okay, last three.
Okay, come on, girl.
Come on, ready?
Give one to the rook, a little bit of it. Woo! Look at that one, man. Look. Ah! That is not a cracker! Let's get out of here, man. Oh my god.